Right, I'm going to perform a bit of an experiment with this fan on this power supply, with the fan that was in it, and I am going to be careful, so you ain't got to worry about that. I've plugged my tester in. Fan's plugged in, the original fan with this power supply. So just so you can see what I mean. And we have no power. Okay, yeah, that would help, wouldn't it? Hang on. That's off. Make sure that's, don't want that being on while I plug it in. Have my fingers anywhere. Ooh, okay. Wow, that's really strong steel. That is, isn't it? Yeah, really strong steel. Right. So I believe we're on now. So see if we can do that and that'd be nice. It's not a happy fan. Well, I know what it is. I know exactly what it is. It's well, if I turn it off a minute. It should stay there. It should. Oh, okay. I did say it shouldn't lift off, but yeah. There you go. We're off. Not fussed because that fan's knackered anyway. Oh! Chucked a blade out at me. That was good, wasn't it? What could possibly go wrong? Anyway, so yeah, what's actually happening is this is just lifting off. And I don't think they're supposed to do that. In actual fact, I'm pretty sure they're not supposed to do that. But whether there's a way of actually tightening them up or not, I do not know. Yeah, I certainly weren't expecting that. But yeah, that's what happens when you experiment. And yeah. But anyway, back to this power supply. So that's the state of this one. I haven't touched the inside of this one. I did clean the other fan up, and that looks a little bit prettier than what it did. In fact, I'd say it looks much better than what it did. So, and as you can see, that was the state of the old one, and it was just disgusting. So right, as I've already tested that it plugs into the socket, and it does. So just a case of unplugging the old one, plugging the new one in, screwing it all back together, and off you go, and Bob's your uncle, as they say. Or he was, and he's also my brother. But there you go. Right, I'll catch you in a bit on the next one.